Okay, hello everyone. So let's start with something which is I think is very super cool as well. Let's say while working on the code, when we are doing something that we do have some typos, right? And how we get to know that the VS Code does highlight for us, and sometimes we get to know about them जब भाई कोड को एक्चुअली एग्जीक्यूट किया जाता है, ठीक है, and at that time दिमाग ही खराब होता है. And there are some issues which are not even been highlighted by any of these things. We get to know about when. So right now there is some error, right? So I don't know what that error is. What I need to do is I need to run this code to check actually the error. The VS Code does highlight the errors for me, but it does not tell me what the error is. So in order to get to that, go to extension, install this cool extension that's called error lens. And once I get to install that, it says that it gives me the error in the same line and also highlight that error for me. It says that whatever the you write in here is not defined. So I fix that. It says the top student is not defined. So okay, that means I did some typo and I can fix that typo as well. And then in here it says that expected expression, it is something expecting something like letter I, right? Print I, it says that I is not defined. Okay, I can go in here. It says X is not defined. Let's see. Then see, I get to fix things. So let's say if I basically start a loop and does nothing, it says that expected indent block. It says that either indent this one or write something within this loop. See, this is a cool extension जो कि आपको आपका दिमाग खराब होने से बचा सकता है. So get to it.